press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am here with you with the new lesson. The name of the lesson is Princess September. Princess September, this lesson, the story was written by Somerset Maugham. Okay, Maugham, he was born on 25th January in Paris, which is in France. Okay, so then he was an English playwright and short story writer and also a novelist. Okay, and he is one of the highest paid writer during the year of 1930s. Okay, so one of the highest paid writer he is during the time of 1930s. And about his works, he has written some of the short stories. The name of the short stories are here, that is Rain, and then The Ant and the Grasshopper, and also Razor's Edge, and also Encore. So these are the works of writer called Somerset Maugham. Okay, so this is about, and let's come to this lesson, Princess September. Princess September, it is a beautiful story which is about a prince. Okay, prince where in the place called Siam, so where the king and queen, they had so many daughters. Okay, so they have decided they couldn't remember the names of those princes easily, so they have decided that they can put the names, they can call the names like months wise. Okay, the months of the year, so like that they are calling like January, February, March, April. So the last daughter is, that is September. Okay, because they have to recognize and they can remember easily those names. So for that sake, they have given this kind of names to the princes. Okay, and the September is the youngest among the daughters of a king and queen. Okay, so she is the youngest child, youngest daughter. So let's see about the story. So this is the story of September and her older sisters, and also the king and queen, how they are leading life, and it's about only a small bird could change the life of a princess. Okay, so let's see in this story, that is Princess September. Princess September, like each one of her numerous sisters, receives the gift of a parrot in a golden cage on her father's birthday. So on the father's birthday, so all the daughters, they have received a gift, that is parrot. Okay, parrot which is in a golden cage. Okay, then the parrot dies and by chance singing bird come in its place. The princess shows off her pet to the sisters, who advise her to put in a cage. Okay, so what happened in this story? So this is giving a brief, it's about only themes of a lesson. Okay, that is the background. So the king has given gift to the all daughters, all the princes, so that Princess September's parrot has died. So luckily, so another bird came to his to her room, and that become one of a pet. Okay, then other sisters, the sisters of September, they have advised her to put that bird in a cage. Okay, so let's see what happened. So if the bird is happy or not, or it is also could die. Okay, let's see in this lesson. The king and queen of Siam had many daughters, and the queen said that it confused her to have to remember so many names. One day, the king decided to call them January, February, March, though of course in Siamese, till he came to the youngest whom he called September. Okay, so there was a king and queen. So once they have decided that, because they had many daughters, so they couldn't remember those names easily. So it's for them to remember it easily, so they have decided that they can call the months of the year. Okay, to those they can give the names to their daughters, so with the month wise. Okay, so on the last, that is the youngest daughter is, that is the September. Okay, so this is the youngest daughter here. The king of Siam had a peculiar habit. Instead of receiving gifts on his birthday, he gave them. The king of Siam, the king of this place, that is Siam, he had something strange habit. So instead of receiving birthday gift from the other people, so he just giving the birthday gifts to the others. So likewise, he has given his birthday gift to his daughters, okay, all the daughters. So what he has given there, 1 year on his birthday, not having anything else handy, he gave each of his daughters a green parrot in a golden cage. So one day, one of the year he was celebrating his birthday, so he just decided that to give a parrot to all his daughters, okay, to all daughters he can give the parrots as a gift instead of receiving gift from his daughter. So that all the parrots has given to his daughters, that put the parrot in a cage, okay. So then, and the princes were very proud of their parrots, and they spent an hour every day in teaching them to talk. So those princes, they every day, so they spend 1 hour together with the parrots to teach something. Okay, you know the parrots, so it is a bird which it can repeats the same exact words when we say it. So these princes also, they are teaching them, okay, they are teaching that to talk, okay, this is. And then presently all the parrots could see, God save the king. Okay, so all the parrots could say that, so they have get trained by the princes. So their princesses, so there they have trained that the parrot could say that God save the king. Okay, God save the king. It means the king should be the king should be live long. Okay, so he should not die. Then. And some of them could say Pretty Polly in no less than 7 Oriental languages. So Pretty Polly means it is a kind of song, okay, and which they can use to say. The parrots are used to say those Pretty Polly song in a 7 different Oriental languages, okay. This is the thing. Siam means it is a Thailand, and now it is presently it is called as Thailand. Then handy means immediate, valuable. Oriental means it is the east, means countries which were far east. Opposite is the Occident. Okay, so this is about this paragraph. Let's move to the further paragraph. But one day, when Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot, she found it lying dead at the bottom of its golden cage. So one day when the Princess September, she was woke up in the morning and she said that good morning. She wished to the parrot, but that parrot was lying dead. That was dead in his cage. She burst into floods of tears. She was crying. She is crying a lot. Okay, she can't tolerate that her parrots are died. Her parrots is dead now, and nothing that her maids of honor could say comforted her. So maids of honor, the lady which he can take care of a princess. Okay, so then the maids of honor, she could make comfort to the princess because she is crying a lot. She wasn't sad. She cried so much that the maids of honor, not knowing what to do, told the queen, and the queen said it was tough and nonsense, and child had better to go to bed without any supper. Okay, so maids of honor, she was informed to queen that she was crying bitterly. Okay, princess was crying bitterly. Then the queen said that, so what is the nonsense? She is crying like that. So it is better to her to go without meal, to go to bed without meal. Okay, then the maids supper means it's a kind of a meal between lunch and between the time of lunch and dinner. Okay, that is called supper. Then the maids of honor wanted to go to a party, so they put Princess September to bed as quickly as they could and left her by herself. The maids of honor, so she wanted to go for a party. So she was insisted to princess to go to her bed as early as possible. So everybody left her alone to sleep. And while she lay in her bed, crying still, even though she felt rather hungry, she saw a little bird hop into her room. So when she was on her bed and she was not have any meal, so then she was crying a lot. Then suddenly there is a bird came into her room and it was hopping near her. okay, into her room. She wept her tears and sat up. She was cleaned her face, cleaned her tears, okay. She was wiped it, and then she was sat up when she was looked at. There is a bird in her room. Then the little bird began to sing. He sang a beautiful song all about, okay. So then the bird started singing song here, okay. So then she was happy when the bird was singing song here. So what it is singing? It is a song here. So what is the song? Lake in the king's garden, and the willow trees that looked at themselves in the still water, and the goldfish that glided in and out of the branches that were reflected in it. So this is the song which was sang by the bird. So it is appreciating nature, the nature which the king's garden. Okay, there is a king's garden which is beautiful, and then it is a willow trees which is reflected in the still water, and the branches, he could see that branches on a water, okay, that is reflected water. So this is. When he had finished, the princess was not crying anymore, and she quite forgot that she had no supper. She had had no supper. That was very nice song, she said. So when that bird was finished his song, so then princess was not crying anymore. She feels happy when she was listening to the song, okay, and then she forgot that she had no meal. Okay, she had no meal. Then she said that song was very nice. Okay, then the little bird gave her a bow. So bow means bending. Okay, so it is wishing with the respect to the princess. The little bird gave a bow. Would you care to have me in place of your parrot? So said the little bird. So little bird said that, would you keep me in your place? In your place means where the parrot was there. You can give me that place where your parrot was there. So he was asked. It's true that I am not so pretty to look at, but on the other hand, I have a much better voice. Yes, it's right that I am not looking good. Okay, I am not beautiful as the parrot, but I have a good voice. Okay, I can sing. So this was said by bird. Princess September clapped her hands with delight, and then the little bird hopped on to the end of her bed and sang her to sleep. So she clapped, the Princess September, she clapped, and then the bird feels happy, and the Princess September, she also feels delighted, she feels happy. And then it goes near to her, and it was singing song to let the princess sleep. Okay, so this is. When she woke up next day, the little bird was still there, and as she opened her eyes, he said, "Good morning." The maids of honor brought in her breakfast, and he ate rice out of her hand, and he had his bath in her saucer. Okay. So then when she was woke up in the morning, okay, so the bird was there nearby her, and it was when she was opened her eyes, so it was wished, that bird was wished her, saying good morning. The maids of honor, she brought a breakfast to Princess September, so she ate rice there by her hands, and then the bird has took a bath in the saucer. You know, there is a plate which is utilizing for having a tea, okay, the cup and the saucer. So there the bird was take a bath in that saucer. He began to sing again so beautiful that the maids of honor were quite surprised. So again that bird started singing song. When the maids of honor, when she looked at that bird, it was singing beautiful song, she was surprised. She feels happy here, for they had never heard anything like it, and Princess September was very proud and happy. So like this kind of a bird, they have not ever seen it. Okay, so now they feel happy, even the maids of honor and the Princess September. Then September was very happy, and she feels very proud about that bird. Now I want to show you to my 8 sisters, said the princess. So now the princess said that she wanted to show this bird to her older sister, that is another 8 sisters. Okay, she stretched out the first finger of her right hand so that it served as a perch, and little bird flew down and sat on it. Perched means place where the bird sits or rests. Okay, So when she has decided to show this bird to her sister, so she has given the left hand and her right finger. So the right hand with the finger, so where the bird could sit on her finger. Okay. So then perched, that is called perched, and the little bird flew down and sat on it. So it was flying over and then it was sat on the finger of the Princess September. Then followed by her maids of honor, she went through the palace and called on each of the princesses. So maids of honor, she is also following to the Princess September, and she called each and everyone. She was walked into the palace with a delighted, and she wanted to show to this bird to her sisters, and she calls each and everyone. Okay, then and for each of them the little bird sang a different song. So that the sisters of Princess September, where they have all the parrots, okay, one by one, they all could sing song, okay, all the birds, all the parrots could sing songs, but the parrots could only say God save the king and Pretty Polly. So what they are taught, they only says, the parrots only says the God save the king and Pretty Polly songs, okay. At last she showed the little bird to the king and the queen. They were surprised and delighted. So after showing to her sisters, then last she has shown this bird to her parents, that is king and queen. So they will also feel happy and delighted. I knew I was right to send you to bed without any supper, said the queen. So here the queen said when she was crying because her parrot was dead. So the maids of honor, she was informed to her queen, okay, that she was not having supper. So then she has ordered that let the child sleep without her meal. So now it is telling that it is good that I have said you that you should sleep without meal, okay, that is my decision. Because of my decision, so you are having your bird. So that one was said by queen. This bird sings much better than the parrot, said the king. So the king also appreciated the quality of the bird. So it is here appreciating that the bird could sing songs better than the parrots, okay. Then I should have thought you got quite tired of hearing people say God save the king, and said the queen. So queen said here that it is tiring of hearing the things again and again, the same thing, that is God save the king, God save the king. All the parrots only repeating those sentences, okay. So it is tiring. Now the queen is saying to the king that so you are getting tired of hearing those words again and again, okay. So now I can't think why those girls wanted to teach their parrots to say it too. Okay, so now the queen again, she said that so why these girls couldn't teach more than that, okay. So it is good for us to listen from the parrots. That the sentiment is admirable, said the king. So the sentiments means the feelings towards the parrots, what it is admirable to the king. It is admiration, it is inspiration to the king. And I never mind how often I hear it. So king says here that it is not bothering that how many times he just listen those words repeatedly. Okay, that is God save the king and Pretty Polly. But I do get tired of hearing those parrots say Pretty Polly. But he is saying that king is getting tired of hearing those words again and again, that is Pretty Polly. Okay, then they say it in 7 different languages, said the princesses. So here the princesses are giving the reasons, excuses that the parrots could say that in 7 different languages, that song, that is the Pretty Polly. Then I dare say they do. I dare say they do means I agree, I accept it, said the king. Yes, I accept it. The parrots are singing in 7 different oriental languages, that the song, okay. But it reminds me too much of my counselors. But those parrots are reminding me counselors, okay, the king's counselors. So what it is, they say same thing in 7 different ways. So the king's counselors, they could say the same things in 7 different ways. If they wanted to say inform to the king, or they were giving advice or anything. So they are saying in a same words, they are repeating same words in a 7 different way. So these parrots are reminding me my counselors. Okay, and it never means anything in a way they say it. So the meanings are same. How many times and how many languages are they are using, in a 7 different languages they are using, but the meaning is same. It is never going to change it. Okay, so this is, so these words of the king and the queen, so they are telling that how the parrots are again and again they are saying the same words, but this not this bird, it is singing different songs. Okay, so they are getting bored, they are getting tired to listen. The parrots could say God save the king and Pretty Polly. Okay, so they are having a discussions about their parrots. Okay, now princes were vexed at this, and the parents looked very glum indeed. Vexed means distress. So who? The princesses, the remaining princesses, the remaining sisters of September, they become distressed. Okay, at this, and the parrots looked and the parrots looked very glum indeed. Glum means sad. So those parrots are looking sad when they hear that the king is not appreciating. Yes, he is appreciating, but he is getting bored. Okay, he is getting tired of listening the same words again and again. But Princess September ran through all the rooms of the palace, singing like a lark, while the little bird flew round and round her, singing like a nightingale. Okay, so she was delighted. She feels very happy that bird is singing so beautiful song. She took that bird in her hand, and the bird, sometimes the bird could fly over the palace, and she is also roaming in the palace with like a bird, like lark. Lark means it is also kind of a bird. So she is also roaming in the palace with the delight, with the joy, along with that bird. Okay, and while a little bird flew round and round her, singing like a nightingale. So it is also moving around to the Princess September and sitting, and it is also singing like a nightingale. Okay, you know the nightingale, it is also a beautiful bird which always it is used to sing songs. So like it is. Okay, this is. Then things went on like this for several days, and then the 8 princesses put their heads together. They are planning for something. Okay, discussed among themselves to take a decision. So all are discussed they all are discussed among themselves about something. Okay, so what it is, let's see here. So all of them, so these kind of a thing, it is going on for several days. Okay, but other princesses, they were not tolerate this one. Okay, they feel like hatred and jealous towards the Princess September, because all the time she was delighted, the bird is also singing song beautifully, not those parrots. Okay, what they are teaching you. Then they have decided one day. So what? They went to September and sat down in a circle round her. Okay, so one day all the princesses, all the older sisters of September, they went to the September, and then they have sat in front of her by making circle. Okay, then they says here, my poor September, they said. So all of them, they said, my poor September, we are sorry for the death of your beautiful parrot. It must be dreadful for you not have a pet bird as we have. So now they are giving the reasons, they are giving us statements that, so all are feeling miserable, all are feel sad that, so our sister is not having a beautiful pet like how they have. Okay, so they have giving advice to her. What? So we all are put our money, pocket money together, and we are going to buy you lovely green yellow parrot. So what they are saying here, those princesses, so they have decided that they utilize their pocket money to buy the parrot. Okay, to buy the green and yellow color parrot for you. Okay, because you are a sad, you don't have the bird like what we have. So they have decided that to go and purchase, they could buy the bird like what they have. Okay, that is the parrot. Thank you for nothing, said the September. So she is not bothering about that. She doesn't have the bird like what they have. So she said that, thank you for whatever you are saying, it's okay, it's thank you for you, she said. And then I have a pet bird which sings the most charming songs to me. I don't know what on earth I should do with a green and yellow parrot. Okay, so here she says, I don't care about the parrot which I couldn't have. Okay, but one more thing I have that as a pet, that is bird, which all the time it is singing song which makes me delight, which makes me happy. Okay, and I don't know what on earth I should do with the green yellow parrot. So why should I need that green yellow kind of parrot? I want my bird. I have my bird which is singing beautiful songs to me. Okay, she was rejected the advice of all the sisters. Well, my dear, they said, it is absurd to talk of your bird when the little fellow flies in and out just as he likes. It is absurd. Absurd means it's a foolish. So the sisters are advising to September. So it is absurd, it is a foolish thing to say to you that bird always it is flying. It is doing whatever he likes. Okay, so it is not listen your words, it is just flying over the palace. Okay, in and out it is flying as he likes. They looked around and room and raised their eyebrows. So these sisters, they were looking the bird everywhere and they're raising their eyebrows like this. So they feel unhappy when they say that when they see that the bird is flying freely. Do you mind asking where your bird is now? They said. So all the sister is asking question that where is your bird right now? Okay, they said. He has gone to pay a visit to his father-in-law, said Princess September. So Princess September, she replied to the sisters that it was visited to the father-in-law. Okay, visited means it was went to meet his father-in-law. Okay, and what makes you think he will come back? Asked the princesses. So princesses said that, are you sure that the bird it will come back to you? Then he always does come back, said September, because September was not put that bird in a cage. Okay, she was trusted a lot, and that bird is also have a loyal towards the September. Okay, and wherever he goes, again it will come back to the September. But this one is not tolerated by these sisters. So they are advising in a bad manner. So they are giving a bad advice to the September. Then he always does come back, said September. Yes, it is come back. So whenever he likes, it will come back to me. Well, my dear, said the 8 princesses, if you will take our advice, you won't run any risks like that. If he comes back, and mind you, if he does, you will be lucky. Pop him into the cage and keep him there. That's the only way you can be sure of him. Okay, so what they are advising here, the 8 sisters are, so they are advising, it is good for you. You should not make yourself risk. It is better to keep that bird in a cage. Pop means put. Okay, put your bird in a cage. So if he will get chance, it will never come back. That bird will never come back to you. If he will come, so it is lucky. So you are the lucky one. But whenever it will come back, you just put that bird in a cage. Just you test it. Okay. As for the testing, you just have to observe your bird. So they have given the advice like this. But I like to have him fly about the room, said the young Princess September. So young Princess September said that I like that the bird could sing in my the bird could fly in my room, and it is enjoying the scene. It is enjoying to me when it is flying and with the singing song. Okay, so then she said like that. But I like to have him fly about the room, said the young Princess September. Safety first, said her sisters ominously, threateningly. So they are giving a threat to her sister. Okay, but safety is important. So you should have to take care of your bird. Okay, whenever he will get the chance, it will run away. So it's better to keep your bird in a cage. They have advised to September. Then they got up and walked out of the room, shaking their heads, and they left September very uneasy. So all sisters, they were got up and they went out of the room and shaking their heads like this. Okay. So then now the September feels very uneasy. She is not feeling good. Okay. When she has listened those words, listened that advice what the sisters has given. Okay. So she feels very uneasy there. Okay. So why? Let's see here. It seemed to Princess September that her little bird had been away a long time. Something might have happened to him. What? With hawks and with snares, you never knew the trouble he might get into. Okay, so this is. It seemed princesses that, so what? Okay, so Princess September, here in this lesson, today I am going to stop the lesson here. So I will continue in the next class because it takes a time to complete this. I will finish it in the next class. Okay. So till now the story is about Princess September. So how she had got a bird which is singing for her. Okay, and makes her delighted, makes her feel happy. So this is about the lesson. And let's see about the story in the next part, what is happened. So when the sisters were advised to this Princess September, so as she was doing what the sister was suggested, okay, as she do what he likes. Let's see in the next class. Okay, till then all of you stay at home, keep learning. Thank you.